Alright, if you're still installing Git by downloading random files from the internet, we need to talk. Today, I'll show you the cleanest way to install Git on a Mac using Homebrew. No clicking, no confusion, just a couple commands and you're done. Now technically, you can go to the official Git website to install it. But wait, here's the better way. Also, quick note, I've added all the commands and official website links in the description below, so you can just copy-paste and follow along. From there, you'll notice it actually points you to Homebrew, because that's how most developers install tools on. So let's do that first. Open your terminal and paste this command and hit enter. It might ask for your system password, totally normal, and then press enter again to continue. And yeah, if you missed that command, don't worry, it's in the description below. Now just let it run. This is basically turning your Mac into a developer's dream machine. Perfect time to grab a coffee or just stare at the screen. Alright, once that's done, we need to set up the path so your system recognizes Homebrew. Quick, simple, and very important. Now Homebrew actually installs a version of Git by default, so let's check what we have using git v command. So let's install Git using Homebrew. That is brew install Git. It will take some time to download, let me come back once it's down. And that's it. No setup wizard, no next, finish, just clean, efficient developer happiness. Let's confirm everything worked using git version command. If you still see an older version, just run this to prioritize Homebrew's Git. And yep, this one's also in the description. One last thing before you start pushing code like a pro, tell Git who you are. This is how Git knows who to blame, I mean credit. And that's it, you've got Git installed using Homebrew, just like most developers do it. Nice, clean, and future-proof. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Sensei, and I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget, all commands and official links are waiting for you in the description.